77. Whoa! Whoa! What is all this? I tricked you. I tricked you. Oh, no, you did not. Why did you do this? Why did you raise the content so high? Because it's so cool. Well, no. Too bad. Come on, please. Okay. Why does it say 20th Century Fox Home Entertainment? Because I love 20th Century Fox Home Entertainment. No, it's not supposed to say that. It's supposed to say 20th Century Fox. Fine. Why does it say Fox Studios and 20th Century Fox Home Entertainment? Because I love Fox Studios and 20th Century Fox Home Entertainment. Har. No, it's not supposed to say Fox Studios and 20th Century Fox Home Entertainment. It is supposed to say 20th Century Fox and get rid of Fox Studios. I know I didn't pause. I was close. Why is the 20th Century Fox logo in daytime? Because I really wish it was in daytime. Yeah. Har. No, it's not supposed to say. It's not supposed to be in daytime. It's supposed to be in sunset or sunrise. Why does it say 21st Century Fox? Fun fact, it's the 21st century. So, it still needs to be 20th Century Fox. Okay? So, pick it now, please. Hey! Whatever. But you're going to be sorry. Why does it say 21st happy birthday, Mr. Acrizzy? Because I love 21st happy birthday, Mr. Acrizzy. Ha 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 ha. No. It is not supposed to say 21st happy birthday, Mr. Acrizzy. It is supposed to say 20th Century Fox. Whatever. Oh, don't you whatever me. Whatever. Don't you whatever me again. You whatever me and see what happens, or I'm gonna kick you right out of this house with my flick. House. Studio. Dang it. It's 9 o'clock in the morning, okay? So, what does that have to deal with this? Why is the 20th Century Fox logo so dumb? So the animation is completely wrong. So, which means you are fired. What? You're fired. Oh, come on, please. Please give me another chance. I promise it won't ever happen again. Too late. You're fired. Duh! Okay, now, is there another person I can hire around here?
75 years later.
Come on. Who wants to be hired for the logo queuing? I can do it. Oh, not again. You get me paranoia sometimes whenever you come in here. Oh, yeah? Oh, no. You want me to come over here? Oh, yeah, I'll come over here, alright? You can give me this last chance all you want. But if you fire me permanently, I'm staying here. Thank you, bossy. Please get out before you're fired for an eternity.